Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hello, everyone, and
Let's say it together, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy Vlogmas!
Day 19! Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. Today I'm here with Lindy. You guys met her in yesterday's vlog. And she is going to be trying some South African candy.
From my basket. So
Yeah.
sorry I was not enthusiastic yesterday.
Yeah, she was a little out of it
I'm a
yesterday.
little tired.
So yeah, anyways, there's a lot of like snacks and like chocolatey candies that they don't really have where she's from. So
In America.
let's get to taste testing. I'm also filming TikTok. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy Vlogmas, day 19. Today I'm here with Lindy and she's gonna be trying South African candy because she's American and they don't have it there. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Chocolates?
First is Chuckles. Yeah. Rip them open. Have you ever heard of these?
No.
Oh wait, what's the thing that's similar to them? Oh, Maltesers. Do you have those?
Oh yeah.
They're kind of like that because it's like malted puffs, they say. Okay, go. You like them? They're so good.
Yeah, they taste like the malted.
Yeah,
What are they called?
Maltesers.
Whoppers.
Oh, Whoppers, yeah. So what do you give it out of 10? You have to rate each one out of 10. Out of 10, she gives it a?
7.
Okay.
The chocolate's a little different.
Yeah, they say it's more like dark chocolate. No, American's dark chocolate. This one's more like milky chocolate.
It tastes like it was made actually from a fruit.
Is that a good or bad thing?
I don't know, it tastes a little like fruitier.
Next up is a crunchy bar. I like filming toys.
How should I eat this already?
Yeah, so you just bite into it. It has honeycomb in it.
Oh, it's
So try it.
honey, okay.
See, look at it. Like it?
Oh, whoa!
I know. And like you can kind of like use your tongue and like hollow it out and it's kind of fun. Like you suck on it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Is it honey flavored?
It's, yeah, golden honey. What do you give it out of 10?
It's fun to eat.
I know.
Mmm.
It's like different, you know? They totally don't have that in America, I feel like.
It tastes healthy.
Healthy. It's so
It
sweet.
tastes like honey.
I guess so. Isn't it really
Looks like
sweet
real
though?
honey. Mm-hmm. I really like this one.
How much do you give it?
9.
Wow. Okay, that's good.
I really like that one.
Oh, I like this one. Okay, next up is a 5-star. Crinkle it open. This one's gonna be interesting. I don't think you guys have it. So, see, it's kind of like caramely.
Mm-hmm.
Caramel. And it's got some,
Crunches.
yeah, it has some like little puffs in it.
Mmm.
I loved those. I always used to get them in like 8th grade.
I really like this one too.
Like out of 10? Up there with a 9 or like an 8.5?
I don't know which one I like better.
Okay. What's your score?
9.5 out of 10.
Whoa, you like that one better?
I think so.
Wow. I also do like that
really
one.
good.
She's already kind of had this one, but it's top deck. I don't know if I gave you the one. It's like a mixture with white chocolate
Yeah, I
too.
don't think I had this exact one.
Yeah, I gave you like the one flavor dark. See, look at that. It's kind of like bubbly.
Mm.
I feel like it's more milky than American.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Okay, out of 10, rating.
8.
Okay. Do you like it more than American chocolate?
Mm-hmm. I like all of these more than American chocolate.
Wow.
This is probably my least favorite. But
Yeah.
It's still good.
The Chuckles. Kind of already had these. She had one of these yesterday, but they're like
Taste test.
salt and vinegar potato fries, and they're actually so good.
They're like the texture of veggie straws, but the taste of salt and vinegar chips.
Yeah. Out of 10?
7 out of 10.
Oh yeah, those are good.
Just because they're not chocolate.
What? Yeah, but for a snack
say-
out of 10. For a snack out of 10. How much do
Maybe
you rate
8
it?
then.
I love those.
Me too.
That was the taste test. Also gave her a candy cane, lip gloss, face mask.
They saw it yesterday.
But you saw that, yeah. Anyways, today we're going to...
Now I have all these open chocolate.
No, I know. Today we're going to Ummy's pool and we're gonna swim and
I want to bring a bunch of these home with
tan.
me.
Yeah, do. I'll give it a Ziploc. Lindy.
Well, I'll buy more. I don't need open chocolate from 3 weeks prior.
True.
I want another bite of
That was
this one.
a taste test.
Look
Good
at-
one.
The
Right? Yes! There we go. Don't drop it out the window.
honeycomb.
There we
Now I'm a
go.
little blurry. Mmm.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh, you already know. I know.
Been wondering
like,
just what you mean to me.
I like the slushy part. So guys, we made it to Ami's hotel and now we are tanning and drinking pina coladas. Try the pineapple, it's so ripe and like really good right now. It's so soft. I ate the whole thing actually. Wow. Here. So we ordered some food and it's coming now.
Don't get me wrong. Think you're
Yes, thank you. This looks so good. Thank you so much. This looks amazing. You and I can share this. Alright everyone, we are leaving the pool. We're carrying all like the food trays up and I have the big pool bag. We're going to go to Swirlin. Sorry for the bad lighting. We're gonna go to the frozen yogurt place Swirlin in town with Ami and everyone. Look at this cool little arch. But we're now leaving Ami's house and yeah, we're gonna hit the road.
Santa,
Hi you guys! So we just made it to town and we are going
yeah. Make your list and check it twice.
Okay guys, we're getting frozen yogurt. We're getting frozen yogurt.
I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help.
I always just get chocolate. We're like, oh yeah, these are actually really good. So we're getting froyo right now and then we're gonna walk around town and hang out the rest of the day with them. But it's been really fun so far. We had a great long day tanning, ate, swam, and I haven't really been vlogging that much because Kelsey's been helping me because I've been with them. But yeah, we'll see you guys later.